Ever wondered if you can plant that store-bought garlic? Spoiler, yes, you absolutely can. Your ticket to a never-ending garlic supply starts right here. Just break apart an organic garlic bulb and pick the biggest, plumpest cloves. Each one is a future garlic plant in disguise. Growing garlic is easier than you think. Just plant the cloves pointy end up and let nature do the heavy lifting. Plant one clove and you'll get a whole new head. It's that simple. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's get growing. Before you plant, pick your star. Your garlic needs to vibe with your climate. There are two main families, hardneck, the diva, and softneck, the easygoing type. Hardnecks have big, easy-to-peel cloves, a bold flavor, and love cold winters. They also grow a central stalk called a scape, a bonus snack. Softneck is the reliable workhorse with a milder flavor, more cloves, and a long shelf life, perfect for braiding. Tempted to plant that mysterious garlic from the grocery store? Don't. Here's my golden rule. Never trust your garden to a garlic bulb with a secret identity. Grocery store garlic is often treated with growth inhibitors, turning it into a couch potato. It can also carry invisible soil villains into your garden. For a drama-free harvest, buy certified, disease-free seed garlic from a reputable source. It'll arrive looking like a real hero, big, firm, and ready to grow. Garlic is a diva that demands a fall planting. Aim for 4 to 6 weeks before the first frost, giving your cloves time to settle in before winter. Pick a sunny spot with at least 6 hours of sun. Garlic is a hungry, drainage-loving plant, so enrich your soil with plenty of compost. Think of it as a spa day for your bulbs. Loosen the soil, clear any weeds, and tuck your cloves in. Let them nap through winter, and you'll be rewarded with big, beautiful heads next summer. Happy planting. It's planting day. Let's get our garlic party started. First, grab your seed garlic bulbs. No party crashers from the grocery store, please. Gently crack each bulb open. Think of it as unwrapping a present, not smashing a piñata. Keep those papery wrappers on. They're garlic's pajamas. You'll find big and small cloves. Sort them like you're casting for a veggie talent show. Big ones become garlic superstars. Small ones are perfect for green garlic cameos. Here's the golden rule. Pointy, end up flat end, down. Planting upside down makes your garlic do yoga, and nobody wants a stressed out bulb. Plant each clove 2 to 3 inches deep, deeper if your winters are so cold even snowmen shiver. Give your cloves some elbow room, 6 inches apart, rows a foot apart. Crowded garlic throws shade, and nobody likes a grumpy neighbor. Use a dibber or your finger. Tuck each clove in like it's bedtime. Cover with soil and give a gentle pat. No pillow required. Mulch time. Blanket your garlic with 4 to 6 inches of shredded leaves, straw, or grass clippings. Think of it as tucking them in for a long winter's nap. Mulch keeps garlic cozy, saves water, blocks weeds, and feeds the soil as it breaks down. It's like a spa day for your garden. Now your garlic is tucked in, dreaming of spring. No bedtime stories needed, just patience and a little garden magic. Crack, sort, pointy up, plant, space, mulch. Follow these steps and you'll be the garlic guru of your neighborhood. When spring arrives, green shoots pop up. Gently pull back the mulch to let your garlic soak up the sun. Keep weeds away. Garlic doesn't like to share. It gets thirsty, so aim for an inch of water per week. It's also a heavy eater. Give it a nitrogen snack a few times in spring. For hardneck types, snip off the curly scapes to help the plant focus on bulbing up. Stop feeding and reduce water when the bottom leaves turn brown. Your garlic is hinting it's almost showtime. It's garlic's big reveal. Harvest when the bottom leaves are brown, but the top ones are still green. Wait too long and they'll split apart like a boy band, ruining their storage life. To harvest, gently loosen the soil with a fork. Don't yank the stem. Pry up and lift carefully. Bruised garlic won't store well, and nobody wants a diver in the pantry. Brush off the soil, but don't wash them. Lay your garlic in the shade to dry before bundling them up for curing. Congratulations, you're a garlic wrangler. Imagine your garlic bulbs checking into a luxury spa because curing is their ultimate relaxation retreat for long-lasting freshness. During this spa treatment, garlic gets a makeover, necks dry out, wrappers tighten up, and flavor gets concentrated. No skipping the facial. Set up a 5-star resort, warm, dry, and breezy, but no direct sunbathing. Think covered porch, breezy garage, or a room with a fan. Garlic loves a gentle breeze, not a sunburn. For soft-neck garlic, try a fancy braid or tie. Bundles. Think garlic group yoga, or let them lounge on wire racks with plenty of space to stretch out. Leave roots, bulbs, and leaves intact. Like a spa robe, they help the garlic finish its beauty rest. Curing takes 2 to 4 weeks. Enough time for garlic to gossip, relax, and get gorgeous, depending on the weather. You'll know they're done when wrappers are papery, necks are stiff, roots are brittle, and cloves break apart easily, like leaving the spa feeling fabulous. Don't rush the process. Impatient garlic ends up wrinkled or sprouting early, like leaving the sauna too soon. When cured, give your garlic a trim. Roots close, stems short, but keep a little hair for style. Brush off any dirt, but don't peel those protective wrappers. Think of them as garlic's spa robe. Store your pampered bulbs in a cool, dark, dry place with airflow. Mesh bags, baskets, or boxes. No stuffy closets or sweaty gym bags. Never put garlic in the fridge or plastic, unless you want it to wake up cranky and sprout a bad hair day. As you dust off your cured garlic, you're holding a garlic legacy. Here's the secret. Set aside your biggest, boldest bulbs for next season. Think of them as garlic royalty. Store your future stars in a clearly labeled bag, cool, dark, and dry. And remember to rotate your crops. Garlic gets grumpy if it follows its own footsteps, so give it a fresh start. You've completed the circle of garlic life. Happy gardening, and may your harvest be legendary.